Most AI agents are useful, but they usually ship one slice of the work. One agent helps you write code, another helps you browse the web, another summarizes research, another makes a video, another helps with a deck. Then you still have to connect all of those outputs yourself. That is the problem Higgsfield Supercomputer is trying to solve. In this video, I'll walk you through Higgsfield Supercomputer, an agentic AI workflow inside Higgsfield AI that is built around product and distribution in one place. So instead of only asking for a video, I can give it a business goal and ask it to help with the larger go-to-market flow, find a market gap, shape the product idea, build the brand direction, create a landing page, generate a launch video, make video ads, and use feedback to improve the next version. The important part is this is not just an AI video generator. Video is one piece of the workflow. Supercomputer can also search the internet, analyze Instagram accounts, help write code, build websites, and create presentations. So I'm going to show the video side, but I'll also show one quick non-video use case so the product is represented properly. I'm starting inside Higgsfield AI and opening Supercomputer. The first thing I want is a clear task. For this demo, I'm going to use a practical business prompt. Research a niche, find an underserved pain point, turn that into a product direction, and build the basic launch assets. The prompt could be, research the creator productivity niche, find one underserved pain point, create a simple product angle, draft a brand book, outline a landing page, and generate a launch video plus 3 ad variations. That one prompt is the point of the demo. Instead of opening 10 separate tools, I'm giving Supercomputer the outcome. It can plan the work, search for context, generate assets, and route the task into the right creative workflow. This is not random automation, running without direction. It works in stages, and you can review the direction before it keeps building. For the viewer, the takeaway is simple. Describe the business task, and Supercomputer starts turning that task into usable assets. Before we generate any video, I want to show something beyond video creation. Here, I'll ask Supercomputer to research the niche and analyze a few Instagram accounts in that space. The goal is to find patterns. What hooks are working? What visual styles keep showing up? What offers are getting attention? And what pain points people are reacting to? If I'm building a productivity product for creators, I do not just want a good-looking ad. I want to know what creators are already struggling with. Are they losing time editing? Are they stuck planning content? Are they having trouble turning ideas into posts? Are they managing sponsors, clients, analytics, or uploads across too many tools? It can search the web, analyze accounts, extract patterns, and turn that into a product direction. This is where the tool starts to feel different from a normal video tool. A normal video tool starts with, what do you want to generate? Supercomputer can start with, what should we build, and how should we launch it? Now that we have the research, I'll use that direction to build the product and distribution loop. The first output is the product concept. Supercomputer can help turn the market gap into a simple product angle. That could be a SaaS site, a digital product, a Shopify product, a content system, or an internal workflow for a brand. Next, I'll have it create a brand book. This is where the workflow becomes practical. The brand book gives the launch a consistent direction. The name, tone, colors, positioning, visual style, and the audience we are speaking to. After that, I'll ask it to create the website or landing page. This is the part that proves it is not only making media. It can help with the structure, copy, and code for a real web page. The site does not need to be final on the first pass. The point is that it takes the product direction and turns it into something you can review, edit, and ship. Then we move into distribution. This is where Higgsfield's visual content engine matters. I can ask for a launch video, AI video ads, and short-form creative variations. based on the same product and brand direction. The workflow becomes research the gap, build the product concept, create the brand system, draft the site, generate the launch video, generate the ads, then keep improving based on what the market says. That is why the loop framing matters. Supercomputer is not just creating one output. It helps connect work that usually gets split across research tools, coding tools, design tools, video tools, and marketing tools. Now I'll show the visual content side. I'm going to take the brand direction and ask Supercomputer to create a launch video and a few AI video ad variations. This is where Higgsfield's existing strengths around AI video ads, AI video editing, cinematic flow, and TV ad style workflows become useful. Supercomputer is positioned as a visual content agent. It is designed to work with visual context, not just plain text prompts. So if I give it a reference video or a creative direction, it can analyze the pacing, hook, structure, and style, then turn that into a new output for my product or brand. Here's the easiest way to understand the difference. Hermes is useful for local engineering workflows. openclaw is useful if you want a hackable local agent. Perplexity Computer is strong for web research and summarization. Manus can handle task chaining in the cloud. ChatGPT Operator is useful for browser automation. Claude Code is strong for code and reasoning, but each tool usually focuses on one slice. Higgsfield Supercomputer is trying to combine the product side and the distribution side. It can help research the gap, shape the product, help build the website, create the brand assets, generate the launch video, make AI video ads, and continue the loop from feedback. That is why I would not describe it as only Claude Video or only an AI video editing tool. It is closer to an AI super agent for creators, founders, agencies, and marketing teams that want to ship the campaign instead of one isolated asset. The workflow still needs human judgment. You should review the research, approve the brand direction, check the website, and make sure the generated content is safe and accurate. But the advantage is continuity. The same chat keeps the context. The product, brand book, website, launch video, and ads are connected. So if I had to summarize the demo in one line, it would be this. Supercomputer helps you go from market gap to product to distribution assets without constantly switching tools. That is the full workflow. Start with the business goal. Let Supercomputer research the gap. Approve the product and brand direction. Build the site. Generate the launch content. And use the outputs to test the market faster.